Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the navigation bar to buttons swipe gestures on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, we go down and tap on displayed, and then we swipe down and tap on navigation bar. Next, we're going to either choose buttons or swipe gestures. So at the moment you can see this is swipe gestures, and then this is buttons. With buttons you got recent key, you got home key and the back key. For swipe gestures, to go back you can swipe upwards to go back to your home screen. You can swipe across like this to go to the next screen. So let's tap on the more options, and you can see here with swipe gestures you can swipe from bottom, we can swipe from sides and bottom. To go back, swipe inward in either side of the screen, from either side of the screen. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to go to the home screen. So if you swipe up, go back. If you swipe across, it goes to the next screen, like so, depending on what you have. So swiping up just a tiny bit will allow you to open up Samsung Pay, but if you swipe all the way up, it will go back to the home screen. Okay, so that's how you can change your navigation bar to swipes or to buttons. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.